to my workshop. Today we will do the inner door for the AZ Beehive.
To build this inner door, we'll use lap joints to assemble a strong frame. The small ribs will secure the metal mesh, which will be set into rivets routed along the inside of the frame. This way the mesh sits neatly within the frame, giving it a durable enclosed fit. We start by cutting the frame boards to size. Next I'll use my router along with a jig to cut out the grooves for the lap joints. I make these cuts on both ends for each board, ensuring they fit together seamlessly to form the frame. With the grooves cut, I glue the frame together, making sure each joint is aligned at a 90-degree angle for a precise fit. Now I'll route the groove along the inside edge of the frame. This groove will hold the metal mesh, which will be secured firmly with wooden ribs once everything is in place. To prepare the metal mesh, I cut a 10 mm oversize on all sides using a plywood template. This extra size let the mesh sit beneath and come up along the inside of the grooves. Then I use a second slightly smaller template to shape the mesh by wrapping it around, which makes it easier to bend it perfectly to fit into the groove. With the mesh in place, I press it down, remove the template, and secure everything with glue, wooden ribs, and nails. Note that I cut the long ribs in a 45-degree angle to make it fit perfectly. Next up is sanding. You can do this by hand or with a handheld sander. But since I'm a bit lazy and happen to have a long belt sander, I can get it done in just 30 seconds. And that's it. The inner door is all done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.